I'm sure I have a majority of viewers who remember an experience from their childhood with this device. But personally, I grew up with the DS, but today we're going to be doing a retro review on the Game Boy Advance SP.
Focus, time turns elastic, in and out of focus, in and out of focus.
Here's a little backstory as to how I acquired this device. A few years back, my brother got two Advance SPs in a bundle, and being the kind big brother he is, he gave me the beaten up one that was in terrible condition, that is, in terms of aesthetics. The only game I really played on mine was Pokemon Emerald, and occasionally I played Spyro Season Ice and Adventure, as they came bundled with the devices. I still love the blocky design to this day, and in my opinion looks a lot cooler than the DS. The hinge design on the right is my favourite quirk about the design. To the rear of the device you will find left and right bumper buttons, a charging port and an EX1 port that can be used for headsets and other devices and accessories to be hooked up to the Game Boy. When opening up the console, you are greeted by the 2.9-inch colour LCD running a resolution of 240 by 160 pixels, brightness toggle button, a nice clicky D-pad, the B and A buttons, and select and start, not to mention the speaker just above them. With a base price of $99, the Game Boy Advance SP was a great console for people looking into getting into the gaming world for a cheaper price. That is, compared to the DS, which launched just after with a price of $149.99. Overall, the gaming experience is nice. However, I would say the backlight is terrible and often dimly lit during games, but that was common on Game Boys of the era. And I've definitely learned that this can take a beating due to the condition that mine is in. I hope you enjoyed this retro review of the Game Boy Advance SP, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.